Kanyakumari is the most beautiful district in whole of Tamil Nadu. The Western Ghats gift Kanyakumari with many rivers, lakes and waterfalls. Today we are going to Thirparappu Waterfalls, which is near Takale, about 20 kilometers from Nagercoil. This is Thirparappu Waterfalls, and by far the best waterfalls I have ever been The ticket for this place is only 5 rupees and the place looks like a mini water park. They have a waterfalls, a swimming pool and a children's park. And imagine everything costing you just $5. I mean, like, it's cheap, the water is really clean and the people are really nice, no cheating. Parking is $30. So if you are in this part of Tamil Nadu, Kanyakumari district, near Takale, I think this is a place you need to come. We are now going for boating. Boating for one person is $50. Next we are going for boating. Boating for one person is $50. This is Rahul.
Nothing only. Nothing only.
And this is Nidhi. Nidhi, say hi. Siva. She's not interested. Today we put Nidhi in water and she seems to have a really nice time. This place is 40 kilometers from Nagercoil, so it should be 70 kilometers from Kanyakumari. But it's worth coming here because you have activities for 4 to 5 hours. The falls, the boat. All hard work done by Meena, and me and Kuti are enjoying. One of the things I like about this place is that this is managed by the local panchayat. So all the revenue or whatever money they make, it goes to the local people. And that's a good thing, because when the local develop, the place will develop. The boating is not only scenic, but also you have a lot of birds flying around. So So after pedaling for some time, you can just stop, relax, watch the birds, enjoy the weather, the cold water. Beautiful, good package. The trees on the left are rubber plantation. So they take rubber out of here, they process it, and then they sell it in the main market. And on the right, they have banana. You have banana, rubber, and jackfruit. I think jackfruit season is not yet come. So you mostly have this rubber, smell, and the banana on the right side.